Hey shoppers, ever heard of a place where you can find almost anything at great prices? That's AliExpress for you. Imagine a giant online market with millions of products from gadgets and clothes to home decor and more. AliExpress is like the cool kid on the block, connecting buyers and sellers from all over the world. It's owned by the Alibaba Group, a Chinese e-commerce giant. Think of it as a global marketplace that brings the world to your fingertips. Whether you're in Lagos, Abuja, or anywhere in Nigeria, AliExpress lets you shop directly from manufacturers and suppliers, often at much lower prices than you'd find locally. Ready to dive in? Let's explore how to shop on AliExpress from Nigeria. First things first, let's get you set up on AliExpress. It's easier than you think. Just head over to the AliExpress website or download the app on your smartphone. Next, create an account. It's free and only takes a few minutes. You'll need to provide your email address, create a password, and enter your shipping address in Nigeria. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start exploring. AliExpress has a user-friendly interface that makes browsing a breeze. You can search for specific products or browse by category. And don't forget to check out the daily deals section for amazing discounts. AliExpress is a treasure trove of products. With millions of items to choose from, you're sure to find what you're looking for and more. Use the search bar to find specific products. For example, if you're looking for a new phone case, simply type phone case into the search bar. You can refine your search by brand, price, color, and more. Don't be afraid to explore different categories and see what catches your eye. Pro tip: pay attention to product ratings and reviews from other buyers. This will give you an idea of the product's quality and the seller's reliability. Section 4. Checking out from cart to doorstep. Found something you love? Great. Click Add to Cart to put it in your virtual shopping basket. Once you're done shopping, click on the cart icon to review your items. Before you proceed to checkout, double-check your shipping address and make sure it's correct. Now for the exciting part, payment. AliExpress offers various payment methods that are convenient for Nigerian shoppers. You can use your debit or credit card or even opt for mobile money options. Once your payment is confirmed, sit back, relax, and wait for your package to arrive. Section 5. AliExpress hacks. Shop like a pro. Want to become an AliExpress pro? Here are some insider tips to enhance your shopping experience. 1. Look out for sales. AliExpress is known for its incredible sales and discounts. Keep an eye out for special events like the 11/11 Global Shopping Festival for massive savings. 2. Contact sellers. Have questions about a product? Don't hesitate to contact the seller directly through the platform's messaging system. 3. Check shipping times. Shipping times can vary depending on the seller and your location. Pay attention to the estimated delivery time before placing your order. Happy shopping!